Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn a video that looks like this into a video that looks like this in just a matter of seconds so that you can post it to all of your favorite social media platforms. Thank you Crossclip for sponsoring this video. Let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to crossclip.com and create an account. Once you've done that, you're going to be ready to start uploading your clips. You can do this in two ways. First way is just from the home page. You're going to have this option right here to enter a Twitch or YouTube clip URL. You can also click create clip on the top right and do it that way, but it's both the same. But what you're going to want to do is select a clip. So we're going to go over to this Twitch clip I have, just a random Apex clip that I clipped just for the sake of this video. But you're going to go ahead and copy the link to it. And then you're going to just paste it right here. Keep in mind, you can also click upload local file and upload a video that's actually saved to your computer and create a clip from that. It just has a size limit, but anyways, you can also do that. But we're going to go ahead and click get clip here. And this is where the magic starts happening. So as you all know, TikTok has taken over and that has created the need for vertical video. So this makes it very, very easy to create vertical video. So you're going to have, this is kind of the default layout here. You have the content, which is in the middle. And then you're going to have this camera box. So if you have a webcam, like I do in this example, you want to take this camera and move it over to your webcam and size it up. I like to do it a little bit smaller than the actual webcam just to make sure I get all of it. And then once you do that, you can click play and we already created a clip. That's just how easy it is to take a Twitch clip that we just pasted in and created a clip from it. And then you can click compile. And really that's all there is to it right here in this menu. You can do other things. You can add other layers. You could even delete the camera here, adjust this. And as you can see, it has that blur behind it, which I think is really nice. And you can do a lot of things here, but really that's pretty much the basic gist of how to do it. It's really easy, really simple, and it really takes the time out of editing all these clips. Another cool thing you can do is go up to this layout section right here, click that, and then you can actually click browse layouts, and they do have 3 default layouts here you can choose from. I think that the full blur one is actually really useful for people that want to show an entire clip and not cut it off while still having a webcam visible. So you can click that, click load preset, and then same thing, just move your camera box over here and select your camera. And then once you click play, it will refresh over on the right side at the output section. And as you can see now, you can see the full gameplay as well as my webcam with the nice blurred background that kind of creates more of an immersion effect. And I really like that. But they have that layout that's default as well as the other 1 or 2 that are in there. You can also save your own custom layout. If there's a certain way you like to edit your videos, you can just save that and make it super streamlined and easy and quick to do. So that's also really nice. Once your clip is how you want it, you just want to click compile up here, create a title. I'm just going to name this clip. You can also choose the FPS and quality. I just do 1080p 60. I think that looks the best. But then once your clip is compiled, I'm going to show you how you can make a montage using all of the clips you have uploaded through Crossclip really easily. There's one more feature of Crossclip that I really want to show you, and that is the montage feature. So once you've created a clip like this, say you've got many clips saved up over the span of a week or something, and you want to create like a weekly video recapping your best moments on Twitch for that week or something like that, this would be really useful for. As you can see, there's an add to montage button here, but what we're going to actually do is go up to your profile picture on the top right. Then we're going to click my clips. And I've already done this once before, but I have some random Tarkov clips here, just 4 of them. But just imagine these are any 4 clips, or they can be up to 6 if you have the pro version, which we'll get into later. But you want to click create montage and let's just name it montage. Then here it's super simple. You can select whichever transition you like the best. Let's just try pixelize. I've never used that one. But then all you want to do is click add clips, and it will show all the clips that you have saved. So let me go ahead and just click all of these Tarkov clips, and then I'll click add clips. And if you have a lot of them, you can also search from that menu to easily find them. But here, once you have them here, you can just easily click and drag them to reorder them how you want. Or if you forgot to add one, you can click that and add another one. But once you have that all set, you just click create montage, give it a minute, and it's going to create a nice simple edit of all of those clips. So now it is complete, and as you can see, it has created a nice montage of all of those Tarkov clips that I have saved with that pixelized transition. Now there's a lot of other transitions you can use, find which one fits your style. But it's a really just another nice easy feature that allows you to not only create these clips super easily, but also turn them into montages for some longer form content, and just more content in general, because it's all about creating more content, better content. The last thing I wanted to cover is the Crossclip Pro subscription. So you can use this completely free. Also, I forgot to mention earlier, they do have a mobile app, so you can also edit these on your phone directly from the app. So that's also nice as well for you mobile users. But the pro version is only $5 a month or $50 per year if you go with the yearly plan. You get some additional perks with that. You can also do the montages up to 6 clips, which is very useful. Whereas with the free, you can only do up to 3 clips. So you can also do additional layers and some other things like that. But if you're really taking your content creation seriously and you need to be as productive as possible, save yourself time and really focus on your content and not spend a bunch of time editing clips together when you can do it easily like this, I think it's personally worth it. Once again, thank you Crossclip for sponsoring this video. I'll leave a link in the description to Crossclip if you want to check it out. It's really useful and I highly recommend it. I think I'm gonna start using it a lot myself personally. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.